Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 10th, 2022. I want all of the Apple stockholders to look at this video from the long term. I'm going to show you all the expectation of what Apple is trying to do in the long term. Now, let's talk about this real quick. You guys can see that I already got a price prediction on the chart for Apple. You guys can see I did the video right here on October the 2nd, and I was looking for the price to go down. And so far, we're pretty much square. The market is pretty much right back to where it was when I first did this price prediction. So nothing has changed in that regard. But let me show you all the 3 months chart. You guys can see here that this is where a lot of the weakness and the selling came into the market in Apple right here. Okay, so from this first 3 month price bar, April the 1st, to the second 3 months price bar, which started July the 1st, this is where all of the selling has gone. Now we got to keep our eyes open on this upcoming 3 months, because if the market in Apple holds this particular price level, 130, 120, even $112, guess what? This is a buying opportunity, because the overall market is expecting that in the long term, Apple's going to continue to trend higher. So yeah, we got to keep our binoculars on, keep looking at the market on a long-term purview to see if that is in fact occurring. Because look at the last month, September wasn't a positive month, which goes in combination with the prior month. Look at that, August. In the same breath, the same time, the market in Apple closed on the low end of both of those monthly price bars. That is why I'm looking for the market in Apple to continue to trend down. All right, so real quick, let's break this down to our hourly chart. You guys can see that yes, we're still seeing overall weakness coming to the market in Apple right now on the hourly chart. You're seeing the market currently trying to hold support right there from September the 30th. So the buyers are coming into the market right now in Apple. I wouldn't be surprised to see that try to be maintained. Here's the 30-minute chart. You guys can even see it a little bit better there that buyers are coming into the market in Apple right now. Now, will it hold? That's the question. Will the market movement in Apple hold? I like it even here on the 5-minute chart. Look how market movement is trending higher in Apple. This is where the bullishness, the buyers are coming in right now. We'll see how the market closes in Apple on the conclusion of today's trading day, because that will tell us whether or not the buyers are coming in and trying to hold the market at 137. Because if they are, then I'm not the one to tell you that you need to continue to hold and wait and hold the stock for the next 2 years, 5 years, because eventually the stock is going to go up. If I see the market not going the way I expected it to go, it's time to jump ship and join the winning team. Okay, so this is a real quick video, not expecting too much out of the way into the market in Apple. I'm going to continue to expect price to trend down. You'll have to go back and see my prior video in Apple that I did on October the 2nd to see my price targets. All right. That is where my price targets are at for the long term in Apple. It is in my Apple stock playlist. All my videos are available in my playlist. I keep it really succinct and structured so you all can actually tell how this game is really being played against us. So join me. Give me your thoughts. Has anything changed in your idea in Apple? Because the market is not what many people try to get you to think. I know you've seen many analysts try to come out and tell you that you need to buy Apple on these dips. Be careful, because the chart in Apple on the long term is definitely telling us that the market is weak. So don't forget that I told you to keep your eyes open on the 3 months charts, because if the market is really buying, we will see it on the chart. There will be no doubt about it that the market is buying Apple. Just because you hear one person tell you that you need to buy Apple on the dips doesn't mean that the majority of the market participants is doing that. Just because you hear 2 people tell you that you need to buy Apple on the dips doesn't mean that the overall market is doing it. I mean, take a look at the chart. If people were really buying Apple like they want us to do, then the market would not be trending down as it has been. Look at this. Ever since the high of August the 17th, 2022, the market is down 20.75%. But you're telling me that the market this is a buying opportunity. You're telling me the dollar cost average in. You're telling me to buy the dips in Apple, but the market is already down 20.75. So as the market continues to go down, you're going to continue to get that same narrative, that same push to come in and buy Apple on the dips. Well, I'm trying to tell you all right now that the long-term basis, you might be buying the dips for a while, because the charts don't lie. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Give me your perception as to what you think the market in Apple's up to, and let me know if you think the market's going to bottom out. Where is the bottom? right? What are your price targets? Hit everyone else up in the comment section and tell the community, where do you think Apple is headed? Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.